नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीर प्रवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यादानं च देहि मे. Hi, how are you students? In this class we are going to be discussing about the problems in respective of issue of debentures for cash. Okay. In the issue of debentures and cash we are going to be solve the question bank problems. That is, these problems is going to be asked for 6 months in respect of your examination. In that question bank, the first one problem is Vijaya Company Limited. Okay. Journal entries in the books of Vijaya Company Limited. Vijaya Company Limited are going to be issued 10,000 12% debentures. 12%. That 12% indicates the interest which is going to be given to the debenture holders. Vijaya Company ಅವರು 10,000 debentures ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು debentures ಗೆ 100 rupees. Number of debentures is 10,000 and the face value of the debenture is 100 rupees. And the amount was payable rupees 10 on application, rupees 50 on allotment and rupees 40 on first and final call. All the money was duly received and subscribed by the company. Pass the journal entries in the books of Vijaya Company Limited. Okay. Now let us start the problems. First one, application money received. For receiving the application money, the journal entry is bank account data. To debenture application. You all know that the first application money received bank account data to debenture application. Okay. Number of debentures is 10,000 and application money is rupees 10. That is 1 lakh. Next, for that narration, being application money received. The first one entry is for receiving the application bank account data to debenture application. After receiving debenture application money, the next application money was transferred to debenture account. For transferring application money to debenture account, journal entry is debenture application account data debenture account. Narration, being application money transfer to debenture. That is 1 lakh. So this is about the application stage. After application stage, the next one is allotment stage. The allotment money is rupees 50. For recording allotment money, the allotment money due entry is debenture allotment account data to debenture account. That is 10,000 debentures and allotment money is 50. That is 5 lakh. Narration, being allotment money due. So this is the allotment due entry. That is the debenture allotment account data to debenture account. Number of debentures is 10,000 and allotment money is 50. That is 10,000 into 50 is 5 lakh. Okay. After debenture allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. For allotment money received, bank account data to debenture allotment. Narration. Allotment money received, that is 5 lakh. Okay. So after allotment stage, the next one is call stage. In the call stage, the call money is rupees 40. That is first and final call. Okay. For recording the call money due entry, the journal entry is debenture first and final call account data. To debenture account. Debenture first and final call account data to debenture account. The number of debenture is 10,000 into first and final call money is 40. That is 4 lakh. Narration. Being first and final call money due. After first and final call money due entry, the next one is first and final call money received. For receiving first and final call money, the entry is bank account data debenture first and final call. Narration. First and final call money received, that is 4 lakh. So this is the 6 entries you need to learn in respective of issue of debentures for cash. That is, this problem particularly related to par, isn't it? Why? Because the application money 10 and allotment money is 50. That is 10 plus 50 is 60. And final call money is 40, that is 60 plus 40 is 100. Okay, the face value is also 100, the value of the shares is also 100, that is equal. Okay, so that is why this is related to issue of debentures and par. So these are all the entries you need to pass under the case of issue of debentures for the sake of cash. Okay, and the next one problem is okay, the next one problem is Prabhakar Company Limited. Okay, the next one problem is Prabhakar Company Limited issued 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Okay, they are going to be issued 5,000 10% debentures. 10% indicates the interest which is going to be given by the Prabhakar company to their public. Okay, debenture holders. Okay, 5,000 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 100 rupees payable. Okay, rupees 10 on application, rupees 40 on allotment, and rupees 50 on first and final call. All the debentures were subscribed and money duly received by the company. 10 rupees application, 40 rupees allotment, and 50 rupees first and final call. Pass the journal entries in the books of Prabhakar Company Limited. For receiving the application money, okay, the entry is bank account data, to debenture application money. 5,000 into application money is rupees 10, that is 50,000. Narration. Being application money received. Okay, after receiving the application money, the next one, application money transferred to debentures. For transferring the application money, debenture application account data, to debenture account. Narration. Being debenture application money transferred to debenture account, that is 50,000. Okay, after application stage, the next one stage is allotment stage, that is allotment money due. Debenture allotment account data, to debenture account, 5,000 into 40, that is 2 lakh. Narration. Being allotment money due. Next, after allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. For receiving allotment money, bank account data, to debenture allotment, that is 2 lakh. Narration. Being debenture allotment money received. After allotment money received, the next one stage is call stage, that is call money due. Okay, for recording call money due, the entry is debenture first and final call account data, to debenture account, Debenture first and final call account debtor to debenture account. Number of debentures is 5,000 and first and final call money is rupees 50. That is 2,50,000. Being first and final call money due. Okay. After recording the first and final call money due, the next one is first and final call money received. Bank account debtor, to debenture first and final call account narration. Being debenture first and final call money received. So this is all about the second problem, that is Prabhakar Company Limited. In that first we have recorded that application money received, next application money transfer, next allotment money due and allotment money received, and first and final call money due and first and final call money received. Okay. So this is the second one problem in respect of issue of debentures for cash. Okay. In the question bank. The next one is okay. The next one problem is Gopal Company Limited. Okay. Gopal Company Limited issued 3,006% debentures of rupees 100 each. Okay. Payable rupees 20 on application, rupees 30 on allotment, and rupees balance on first and final call. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿನ ಅವನೇ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿನ ಅವನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3,000 ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 100. ಓಕೆ. ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 6%. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ rupees 20 ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ rupees 30. 20 plus 30 ಎಷ್ಟು? 50. ಓಕೆ. ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 50 rupees. ಇನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ 50 rupees, ಆ 50 rupees ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ 50 ಅಂತ ನೀವು 100 - 50 = 50 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಪಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 100 rupeesಗೆ 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 rupees. 10 rupees ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 90 rupees. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 30 ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 50. ಓಕೆ, 90ಯಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 40. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 110 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅವಾಗ 110 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆದಾಗ 20 rupees ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, 30 rupees ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, 110 minus 50 60. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 60. ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಬಂದಾಗ 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ 50 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಇದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. 20 plus 30 is 50. And by comparing the 50 value to the face value, okay, face value is 100 and remaining balance amount is 50 rupees. That is first and final call money is rupees 50. Okay, now let us we solve that problem. Okay, balance on 50, balance on first and final call. All the debentures were duly taken up. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಒಂದು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ದಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮನಿ ಡ್ಯೂಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ ರಿಸೀವ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ, to debenture application account. The number of debentures is 3000 and application money rupees 20. That is 60,000. Being application money received. Okay. After application money received, the next one is application money transfer. For transferring the application money, the entry list. Debenture application and account data to debenture account. Narration. Being application money transfer to debenture, that is 60,000. Okay, this is the application stage. That is application money receive, application money transfer. After transferring the application money, the next stage is allotment stage. That is allotment money due. Debenture allotment account data. To debenture account. That is 3,000 into 30. That is 90,000. Being allotment money due. This is the allotment money due entry, that is debenture allotment account data to debenture account. Next, after debenture allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. Bank account data to debenture allotment, that is 90,000. Narration. Being allotment money received. After allotment money received, the next one is first call money due and first call money received. Okay. For recording due entry, debenture first and final call account data to debenture account. That is number of debentures 3000. Balance money napkagala nodi 100 rupees face value minus 50. That is first and final call money 50. Okay. Narration. Being first and final call money due, that is 3000 into 50 is 1,50,000. into 50 is 1,50,000. After recording first and final call money due entry, the next one is first and final call money received, that is bank account data to debenture first and final call. Narration. Being debenture first and final call money received, that is 1,50,000. Okay, so this is the first and final call money due and first and final call money received. So this is all about the Gopal Company Limited, that is application money received and application money transfer, allotment money due and allotment money received, and first and final call money due and first and final call money received. So this is all the respective of Gopal Company Limited. Okay, and the next one is Okay, the next one is journal entries in the books of Chandra Company Limited. Journal entries in the books of Chandra Company Limited. Chandra Company Limited issued 15,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Okay, Chandra Company ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 15,000 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? 100. ಓಕೆ, ಪೇಯಬಲ್ rupees 10 on application, rupees 40 on allotment. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ, 40 rupees allotment ಮನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 10 plus 40 50. ಓಕೆ, and the balance of first and final. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 40 ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. 10 plus 40 is 50. ಓಕೆ, 50 ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಮನಿ ವಾಸ್ duly taken up by the company and subscribed by the company. Pass the journal entries in the books of Chandra Company Limited. Okay, in the books of Chandra Company Limited, the first one entry is application money received. Bank account data, to debenture application account, that is 15,000 into application money is rupees 10. One lakh 50,000 being application money received. Okay, for receiving application, bank account data to debenture application, application money transfer, debenture application account data, debenture application account data to debenture account, that is narration. Being application money transfer, that is application money receive and application money transfer. The next one is allotment money due. Debenture allotment account data, to debenture account, that is 15,000 debentures into allotment money is rupees 40, that is 6 lakh. Narration. Being allotment money due. After recording allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. That is bank account data, to debenture allotment account, that is allotment money received. After allotment money received, the next one is first and final call. That is first and final call money due. Debenture first and final call account data. To debenture account. Number of debentures is 15,000 and the balance money is rupees 50. That is 10 rupees application, 40 rupees allotment, 10 plus 40 is 50. Okay, 10 plus 40 is 50 and the balance is rupees 50. Why? Because face value 100 and 50 application and allotment. 100 minus 50 is 50. Okay, so the balance amount is 50 rupees on first and final call. 15,000 into 50 is 7,50,000. $7,15,000. Okay, narration. Being first and final call money due. After first and final call money due, the next one is first and final call money received. Okay. After first and final call money due, the next one is first and final call money received. Bank account data to debenture. First and final call. Narration. Being debenture first and final call money received. That is 7,50,000. So this is all about the problem in respective of Chandra Company Limited. That is first application money received, next application money transfer, allotment money due and allotment money received, and first and final call money due and first and final call money received. So this is all about the 6 marks problem. That is Vijay Company Limited, Prabhakar Company Limited and Gopal Company Limited and Chandra Company Limited. In the next video we are going to be solve the remaining problems in respective of the issue of debentures for cash. Thank you.